For some years, video games have been integrated into the daily life of many societies, and today it is common to see countless products related to the industry that we are passionate about. Taking advantage of the popularity that the sector has today, the line of American Girl dolls designed a set inspired by gaming along with Xbox, which was launched. The gaming set for the American Girl doll line inspired by Xbox One was presented. The Xbox gaming set includes a miniature replica of an Xbox One S and its respective control, 2 miniature games called Blocks and Dance, an armchair for gaming, horn and headphone jack, and a miniature replica of a headset. The games, which curiously come with everything in box, can be inserted in the upper part of the replica of the console, which projects images related to its supposed content.